Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for accessing and replacing the trigger mechanism. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is turned off and unplugged. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the handle where the trigger is situated. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pull the handle apart. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. If you find it difficult, a flathead screwdriver can help to gently pry the handle open. Now, take a closer look at the trigger assembly. You may notice dirt or debris inside. It's a good opportunity to clean the internal parts with a soft cloth or compressed air, ensuring everything is clear of obstructions. Next, locate the trigger mechanism. If it appears damaged or worn, you'll want to replace it. You can find compatible parts online or at your local Dyson dealer. If you're unsure about the part you need, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you identify the correct replacement. To remove the old trigger, carefully disconnect any wiring attached to it. Use your tweezers if necessary to handle small connectors. Once it's free, take the new trigger and align it with the connectors. Before securing the new trigger, it's a good idea to test it briefly to ensure it functions correctly. This can save you time and effort in the long run. If you do not have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this task, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. Once you've confirmed that the new trigger works, reassemble the handle by aligning it properly and pressing it together. Replace the screws with your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them securely but not over-tightening, as this can strip the screws or break the plastic. After the handle is secured, give the entire area a final wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. This will not only make your vacuum look better but also ensure it functions optimally. Finally, reconnect your Dyson SV12 to the power source and perform a quick test run to ensure everything is working as it should. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair, so you know what to expect without any surprise costs. In conclusion, changing the trigger on your Dyson SV12 vacuum is a straightforward task with the right tools and a little patience. If you're ever in doubt or prefer professional assistance, remember we're here to help with no calls and no travel required. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.